beautiful souls, how are you? You may notice that I have changed my channel name recently to Blissity. I've been searching for a name for a while, and it came to me one day when I was meditating. All of a sudden, I knew that's it. That's the name I've been searching for all the time. This name comes with a beautiful meaning. Bliss in unity. All together we are united here with joy, love and peace. So welcome to my channel. I'm Betty Bliss. Elon Musk said we are living in the age of abundance. Here is the fact. We are all entitled to live a fulfilled life with plentiful opportunities, wealth and resources. But only less than 1% of people truly understand how. Today, let's talk about how to attract unlimited abundance into your life. There are multiple methods to make positive changes happen when it comes to attracting abundance. Here is my favorite method. I call it G.I.F.T, G.I.F.T, which indicates graduate imagination, forgiveness, and your thoughts. This G.I.F.T method is combined with 4 powerful tools that help you attract and carry more love, joy, wealth, and health. Before we dive into this, let me ask you, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of abundance? Whether you think abundance is wealth and effort, or unconditional love, or growth mindset, you all indicated one thing, that is, abundance means something plentiful and in a large quantity. Abundance isn't limited to the latest and biggest possessions and items, and also means having the freedom to be who you really are, do the things that gives the most profound joy, and be deeply connected with your loved ones. Abundance could be tangible or intangible. It's the fruitful trees in nature. It's a feeling of contentment with what we have, and it's faith that all our needs will be taken care by the grand universe. If you heard about the law of attraction, you might know that everything is magnetic, including abundance. It means we can't just go outside to grab, obtain and hold it. Instead, we can attract it to us if we become a magnet for abundance. What does that mean? Living like a magnet means we pay close attention to our thoughts, feelings, and emotions in every moment. When we are reading it a higher frequency of love, we attract people, events, and experiences that are on the same frequency level as ours. And these things bring us more joy, enthusiasm, and happiness. It creates an upward spiral of a fulfilling life. On the other side, if we feel bored, frustrated, or depressed, which means we are sending out a lower frequency to the universe. Like attracts like. And as a return, issues, problems, or conflicts come to us. It doesn't mean that they are bad. They come to our life to teach us to take a U-turn when we are heading in the wrong direction. But they are not necessary for our growth, and we can make positive changes by shifting our feelings. When we are thinking positively, the desired income will come to us and fit into its place. Now let's talk about the 4 powerful tools to attract abundance to you. Gratitude is your first tool. Always begin with gratitude. Be thankful for what you already have and see the miracles that come from this one simple act. Gratitude is a positive statement for what an individual receives, whether tangible or intangible. positive psychology research, gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. With gratitude, people acknowledge the goodness in their lives. In this process, people usually recognize that the source of happiness is not lying outside of themselves, but inside of them. Gratitude helps people to connect with something larger than themselves as individuals. We can express gratitude in multiple ways, either through writing a gratitude journal, sending a thank you letter, or appreciate others in person. In the end, gratitude helps us feel more positive emotions and experience, improve our health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships. Imagination is your second tool. Your imagination plays a crucial role in creating and manifesting your highest possibilities. Every great accomplishment was first imagined before it was implemented. As one of the most influential authors, Napoleon Hill realized the power of imagination nearly a century ago. This is what he mentioned in his bestseller, The Laws of Success. Imagination is a faculty of the mind which can be cultivated, developed, extended, and broadened by use. Every great railroad and every outstanding financial institute and every successful business enterprise and every great invention began in the imagination of some person. The technique that using your mental power is called creative visualization. It is a creative power of imagination. Through visualization, we bring goals and dreams come to life. Forgiveness is the third tool. Forgiving others and yourself will raise your vibration and change your life. When you practice forgiveness, you clear negative feelings inside and create space to allow love, joy, and bliss to come in. For many, it's hard to forgive others. Why? Because we view not forgiving as a form of punishment for what others said or did to us. Furthermore, when we forgive, we might think that implements we are okay with what the other person did or said to us. However, forgiving is not about the other person. It's only about you. All forgiveness is self-forgiveness. Let me repeat this. All forgiveness is self-forgiveness. That's because the resentment and unforgiveness we hold towards other person are held within us. Even if others did something wrong, we still hold these thoughts, and these thoughts are affecting us. If you are unable to forgive other person, you are preventing yourself connecting inner freedom. As long as you hold resentment, you cannot feel love and peace. When you choose to forgive, you choose to forgive yourself. Please reflect on this for a bit, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Who do you want to forgive? Last but not least, it's your thoughts. Your thoughts create your world, and your reality is the reflection of what you have thought. A positive self-image is key to live a happy and healthy life. Research shows that people who feel confident in themselves can solve more challenging problems, take more risks, and strive harder to meet their personal goals. One technique that will help you think more positively is using the positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements such as I can do this, I believe myself, or I'm the best. It helps to rewrite negative thoughts about ourselves. When you repeat these affirmations, they help to boost self-confidence and shift your focus from self-doubt to self-love. Affirmations are not magical pills for instant success or healing. It's also not wishful thinking. They are like exercises for our mind and outlook. Through positive mental repetition, they reprogram our thinking patterns, melt away the negative ideas and self-doubt, and rebuild healthier mind. Everything starts within our mind. When people realize how powerful their mind could be, they become alert of negative thoughts or emotions come to their mind. This gift method is suitable for everyone, no matter who you are, whether you are a new graduate or a successful entrepreneur, a mindful yogi, or just a normal person. You can access to these powerful tools to become a magnet for abundance and attract beautiful things into your life. Thanks for watching. I wish you peace, joy, and love.